welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week we highlight new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week we have 5 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is the EXAIR Air Cradle Safety Airgun Mount, which is designed to keep safety airguns and similarly sized tools within easy reach to workstations and machine centers. Next is the Mayhew Tools 2-piece Hammerless Pin Punch Set, which is a spring-powered tool set engineered to deliver a powerful striking force. Our third tool is the K-Tool International 10-ton long chassis service jack, which offers heavy-duty hydraulic performance for heavy-duty fleets and garages. Next is the Streamlight PolyTac 1X, which is a compact, multi-fuel tactical flashlight engineered for professional performance across multiple environments. Finally, our last tool is the Thermodynamics by ESAB Cutmaster X Plasma Cutter, which is part of a new heavy industrial manual plasma cutting system with a new arc starting mechanism that starts the arc within a few thousandths of a second after establishing airflow. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. As always, if any of these products piqued your interest, just give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featuring both our newsletter and print issues by following links below. See you next week.